The secret language of the universe. Measurement. Ever tried to tell a friend how big a giant sandwich was using only your hands? Or wondered why your GPS knows exactly where you are? Well, buckle up. We are diving into the secret rule book that scientists use to make sure everyone is on the same page. One language to rule them all. Imagine if you measure a table in pencil length, but your friend used cookie width. It would be total chaos. To stop the madness, humans created the SI system, International System of Units. Think of it as a universal language of science. Whether you are in Tokyo or Timbuktu, a meter is a meter. The building blocks, base quantities, everything in our is built from a few main ingredients called base quantities. The big three we start with are length, how long, measured in meters, m. Time, how long did it take, measured in seconds, s. Mass, how much stuff in it, measured in kilograms, kg. To keep things precise, scientists even define the meter based on the speed of light. Since light is the fastest thing in the universe and never changes its speed in a vacuum, it is the ultimate measuring stick. The chain link magic trick. Sometimes we have measurements in the wrong units, like having minutes when we need hours. We use chain link conversions. In a mathematical bridge, we multiply our data by conversion factors. We're just fancy ways of saying one until the odd units cancel and the new ones appear like magic. Why should you care? The GPS secret. You might think, do I really need that precise? Yes, without super accurate clock measuring tiny fragments of time, your GPS wouldn't work. Would you be looking for a pizza shop and end in the middle of the ocean? High level physics keep our modern world running smoothly.